Oh, look, it's another VCR. Hope this one is working. We'll find out. Let's go. After our failure in the last video with the Philips VR101 VCR, here's another one. It is an Akai VSG757 EOG-D. We get auto tuning, long play, auto functions, index search, VPS, 8 program, 1 year timer record, auto setup. I paid €1 for this thing, so mostly shipping. Every time I show you guys a VCR that cost me €1, actually I have to pay €7 because it's €6 shipping. This one should be working fine. Seller said the display did light up. They didn't have any VHS tapes to test further, but you know, it has been in storage for some years, but in good storage in its box. Kind of proven by them still having the original owner's manual in good condition, the original remote. And we got more. We got this nice yellow bag full of cable goodies. So we got power cable, a SCART cable, and an RF cable. The price might be worth just this single SCART cable. They go up to €10 recently and beyond. VCR in these distress kind of comics over here. There, that's the one happy VCR. If we let the... What? We shall let the VCR plug itself into power. Do not burn it. Do not put it in the sun. Got a happy power outlet. And another VCR in distress. Even a video head in distress. Everything is in distress. Except our super intelligent HQ guy. The remote. It's in okay condition. Nice. We didn't have leaky batteries in there yet. So I'll put some in a second. And this opens. And we got further functions. Can't get my rechargeables. Yeah, there we go. Yes, seems to be working. It's just randomly press buttons. See what? Oh, there. Maybe we need the manual. No idea what I'm doing. Okay, I reset it. Some kind of timer option. It seems to have a really cool feature, which is kind of indicated over here, which is a volume level indication for recording. So it's always good to have because VHS might be obsolete, but recording music to VHS is still the best way to record music to magnetic tape. So it's not really obsolete yet. Let's have a look at the technical features. It's a 4-head and 2 audio heads, so 6-head. Here we go. Moment of truth. Nothing happening. It's dead. Let's see if I have the cable plugged in. Yeah. Cable is plugged in. No. So here's our cable. Let's just measure if there's like some 200 volts coming through. And we have nothing. Nothing. Maybe the cable is broken. No, that was in the wrong mode. So cable is working, 226 volts. There we go. Cable is not the problem. Tried out some contact cleaner in the power jack. Didn't change anything. We're going to need to open this thing up. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna measure on the inside if there's like some current going in. Maybe there's some dirt or oxidation somewhere. So let's see. But honestly, I'm kind of scared because it was working before they sent it. And yeah, I could hear the guy from the postal service drop my parcel on the floor. Like he dropped it so loud I could hear it in like on the other end of my flat. So let's hope he didn't like rip off the transformer or whatever while doing that. I'm gonna open it up. Honestly, it does not look too bad. Okay, the cable's here are kind of burned. Probably a high hour device. There's our power section. Caps look okay, I guess. It's just sad. Very sad story. I think we need to take off the bottom plate and have a look from the bottom so that we can measure that PCB right there. Let's do that. I'm having a hard time removing that plate. Thought it was maybe connected to the front panel. Maybe the switch is broken. Oh no. See that? Let me give you guys a different angle. Oh no. I think the display is broken. See that? That's broken off plastic. And there's more. Here we go. Oh no. So they did break it when dropping the parcel. Why? Let me further investigate. I'll be right back. Yeah, this thing is done. I found these two pieces of PCB in there. And you can see there's connections going through both of them. And they do fit right in here. This one probably went there. And the other one must went there somewhere. It's gone. They ruined a perfectly fine working VCR. Do not use Hermes. If you live in Germany, I got German viewers, I know. This one dedicated to you guys. Do not use Hermes. Use DHL, use DPD, whatever. Do not use Hermes. Hermes, call it whatever you want. They are the worst. You're probably gonna save 50 cents on postage, but they're gonna break your stuff because they throw it. I know they threw this one. I was in the bathroom and I could hear like something drop in front of the door of my flat, you know. So I had a look and there was my parcel. They didn't drop the package like this. It was upright. It was standing kind of like this. It was probably standing like this, and they dropped it on here somewhere. You can see this button is bent as well. And there's another crack. For sure they dropped it on the front and broke the PCB and ruined the whole thing. It will probably go to the trash now. Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna post it online somewhere and offer it for parts because maybe somebody needs a head drum. Screw you, Hermes. You won this time, but not next time. Let's put it back together and put it away. Okay, some time has passed. The thing really made me angry. But in the end, it's just a sad story. But I do have the VCR remote. And yeah, I already bought another cheap €1 VCR off eBay. It's an Akai. It's not the same, but equal. And it does not come with a remote. So here we go. I already got the remote. Gotta make the best of the situation. And hopefully the other one is gonna work. I know it's probably gonna need alignment and cleaning, but that's okay. The saga continues. I really do need these VCRs for an art installation I'm doing. And yeah, it would be cool if I'd finally get one that really did work, because all the postage I'm paying is getting expensive. Otherwise, I'm really going to have to start selling these remotes off eBay. At least we got the remote, we got the cables, so that's that. Sad video, but that's how it is sometimes. Next one is not gonna be as sad. There you can see a little sneak peek of the top loader goodness that we are going to see in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like, subscribe, leave some comments in the comments. Feel free to express yourselves. Peace out. See you on the next one. Stay cool. Bye-bye.